Hi friends, this is Hanu. Would like to explain how to make this beautiful fountain. Required materials are 3 plastic plates with the same size, and 1 big plate for the bottom, and 1 motor to pump the water, and 1 PVC pipe to fix the plates. The motor here I am using is an old one, 18 watts water cooler motor. Mark the hole on the plate for the PVC pipe. Make the hole with the help of drilling machine. Ensure that wood support under the plate. Enlarge the hole as per the PVC pipe size. Now you can check this hole may fit for the PVC pipe or not. Please remember, this should be tight and stiff. Continue to fix all other plates. Try to fix the gaps, if any, with the glue gun. Now our project is ready. Let me explain the bottom base, cooler bottom part, and the PVC pipes nicely arranged as in Z shape. This is the motor. A motor pipe is fixed in the PVC hole. This pipe goes through the PVC pipe. Here is the fixing of our structure what we made. Here you can see the motor pipe which comes from PVC pipe to the top of the fountain. With this arrangement, we will switch on this motor. Plates are unable to bear the heavy water. So I thought of making holes in the middle of the plate with the help of soldering iron. Now our project is ready. Now we will check how it is. Wow, excellent! Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe, like, and share your valuable comments. Bye for now.